Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this question very quickly. Uh, we have three beakers. They have some red blood cells on the inside of them, and there's three very different things happening to them. So in this first image right here, you see a cell that looks much smaller than this one over here, right? Um, so it looks like this one has shrunk. This would indicate to me that water is leaving the cell, right? H2O is leaving the cell. Cell's becoming smaller and shrinking. This middle cell kind of looks just right, right? This is the Goldilocks cell. It's in a perfect environment. Same amount of water moving in as is moving out. So let's look at this third one. Third one's exploding, right? So this means we've got a lot of water moving into the cell. That's what that would indicate. So let's review some words here. You probably remember the word hypertonic. Keyword here being hyper, right? Those water molecules are getting hyper and they want to go play outside. So these hyper water molecules are leaving, right? Hypertonic solution. In the second image here, let's take a look at this isotonic. Isotonic, you can think of this as I so happy. I'm so happy, right? Water is moving in and out at the same rate. The cell is not growing or shrinking. It's in the ideal environment. In your third image here, hypotonic, right? Hypo being the key word. If you remember hypo, hippo. I'll draw some little legs over here so you can laugh at my hippo. His head's been exploded, so that way I don't have to draw it. Hypo, hippo. So that's a way to remember what's happening to these cells and what type of solution they are in. So this one is showing, the question that this one asks is beaker A shows a red blood cell. So I would probably circle this right here. Beaker A shows a red blood cell that has been placed in what type of solution? It's either going to be hyper, hypo, or isotonic solutions. So using this information, I want you to go ahead and think about these words. Hypertonic, remember hyper, kids want to go outside. Those water molecules are playing outside. They are leaving, and the cell is shrinking. Isotonic, I so happy, right? Hypo, hippo. I want you to keep those in mind as you go through and try and re-answer this question again, because it is asking you about beaker A. Okay, I hope that helped, and good luck on your second attempt.